This story will cover from then to now and next, all about change, how to turn losers into winners. Here we are, back in 2008, in one of the hottest and driest places in Kenya, East Africa, very near the equator. Its soils are seriously eroded. It's become almost a desert. Overheated, overgrazed. The local people and their livestock suffer, and today, in a minor way, to this mixed group with a plan that's not working right now. She's got an idea, and all this activity disturbs a small local resident, a kind of weaver bird. There are some 60 species, and their nest building is extraordinary. When eventually they come unstuck, it will be time for school to begin. Right here.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana.
And here's the bright idea.
Wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Kenya nchi nzuri, hakuna matata. Nchi ya maajabu, hakuna matata. Hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Watu wetu hakuna matata.
A bit of a surprise for this local bird resident, the white-browed sparrow weaver, an appropriate name.
Why don't we just start it up, and then the noise will bring people.
The song of this weaver is what the locals normally hear. The plan works. First the cows. Then the local people here at Bogoria. And an ostrich strolls in, quite a bit taller than its human neighbours.
Just carry the top.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa.
The audience, both two- and four-legged, is full of anticipation. What's being shown in the bush school today? This one they know, but what about the other weaver birds? Dr. David Harper from Leicester University used to take this mobile video cinema around Kenya, and he's an expert on water conservation. The Bogoria area really needs his help in educating the local people to care for their land, their soil, and therefore their livestock. We'll update the situation. These people could be winning or losing, and so indeed could the wildlife that also depends on a sustainable place where water is so vital. It's a weaver bird show, folks. As part of today's varied programme, includes cows too. They'll be pleased. A long way from here, the palm weaver weaves its nest on palms on the Kenya coast. The shoebill stork doesn't miss much. Its fishing technique is to wait and watch, apparently oblivious to the weaving and twittering all around in the swamp. The grosbeak weaver also favours reed beds. Reeds can be very useful and are free, but they need water to grow. It's such important stuff for a roof, your family, livestock and wildlife, including weaver birds. Whoops. And now something for and about cows in this varied school film show.
Sama